Hi guys! Today, makobra kami ni Manang sa science project. Nita ko kagay ng magnet. Nang buka ko sa speaker. Nita ko sa speaker kayo. Na magnet with wand. Amon wand, iyalang isang kuan. Sa badminton racket. Iutod ko lang. Okay, anong requirements? Aring requirements amon yung needed. Glass, wala ta glass, mga case, tapos paper clip, plastic led, p-ball, tapos glass, okay, glass, tapos rubber band, so big, tapos hairpin, tapos may mga pins kami dito, mga pins. Di nails, wala kami nails, ari lang gamiton. Okay lang ni ma'am. So ano gang, paano din sa gang? Ano to instruction gang? So ang instruction, a piece of bar magnet. You may also use magnets that area. First, get your stick, make sure to remove any sharp edges. Using your adhesive tape or glue, attach the magnet at the one end of your stick. Make sure that the magnet is firmly attached. Okay. Ari na aton mag Ari na firmly attached Firmly attached. Diba? May magnet ta daw halin sa speaker ng guba.
The land of sunshine and blue seas, when the rhythm of life moves with peace. There was a man with a guitar in hand, who spread love and peace across the land.
And spread the objects on the floor or table. Spread gang, spread ang objects gang. Pati na other magnet. Sige, spread mo. Spread it out. Yeah, nakaspread na siya. Nakaspread na mo yung mga kainanglan guys. I-hover ko no.
Anong unang object?
Anong unahon ng object? Dahil lang. Sige, first is metal spoon. Hindi, i-hover lang. Hindi lang pa i-touch. Again. Hindi lang pa i-touch. Putan lang. Oo. Wait lang yun ha. Wait lang. Picture ko ha. Up again. Picture ko. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Up. Okay. Nag-magnet sa. Next is, wait lang ha. Plastic lid. Karoon na ang rubber band. Plastic lid. What happened sa plastic lid? Wala. Okay, wala. Ay, picture gali. Plastic lid. Tubang di sa camera? Tubang sa camera? Wala. Plastic lid, wala. The next is rubber band. Where is your rubber band? Wala. Wala. Nothing happened on rubber band, of course. Paano mo nabi? Okay, wala. Next is paper clip. Where is your paper clip? I-hover lang bala, hindi mo pag idikit. Iyan mo muna na sa Iyan mo lang ng hover. Amo na yung hover Iagi mo lang sa bala na. Iagi lang, hindi nga idikit mo. Rubber band, wow. Again ba? Paper clip ba? I-hover lang ha. Wow. Ipakita. Iyan mo na Pakita sa akin, iyan mo na Paper clip, okay. Next. Anong next? Ano nang nadanta? Hairpin. Hover lang. Pa-show kay daddy. Yeah. Paper clip. Done. Okay, next. Anong next? Ikaw da bala sige, kay wala tas ang nail. Ara lang screw. Wow, baby. Sige, amuhan lang to, korrekto. Sige, again, be. Op. Oh, nadala. Wala nadala. Again. Separate, bali separate na. Mana biyo. Lantaon. What will happen? Sige, be. Cover lang, ha? Oh, nice. Oh, gonna take some picture.
The legend true.
Okay.
It's songs of justice.
Ang next.
True.
Kiss.
Oh, kiss. Hover sa kiss. Yung kiss, oh.
This message of love will always be.
Te, damo-damo kiss mo ba? Pictures.
Sana all.
Okay. Sana, ano kay? Sana, Ano next? Glass? Uy, careful na. Kay glass na.
Let's unite
What happened sa glass? Picture ko, ah.
to the rhythm of the people we need.
Next is another magnet. Another magnet. Small magnet. Wow, napilit siya. Ara
See
naman.
with ease. Bob Marley's
Okay, dance another magnet. Ball.
Isang poster kasi
Wala. Sige. P-ball.
now and forever.
Wala. Anong next? Ang cellphone mo iputan di kay may ansiran ka da.